My name is Johan Weigelt. I'm the CEO of Karolinska Institutet Holding AB and Karolinska Institutet Innovations. So we run innovation support for Karolinska Institute. So our business is to support innovation and commercialization of research, and we do that by selling that service to Karolinska Institute, but we also have some other funding from government agencies, etc. So our focus is early support to researchers that have a business idea, to see if that is commercializable or could be utilized in some other way, for instance, in social innovation. But then the main focus is to develop startups. When it comes to research collaborations between, for instance, pharmaceutical companies and Karolinska Institute, that's handled within the institute itself through the external engagement office of KI. There are many success factors, but I think we have a very strong research base at KI to build from, so excellent science, of course. Then good people in my organization and our network of industry expert business coaches that help us in what we do. Challenges, funding is of course, and resources. Being a support function, there is an unlimited number of things you could do. So using our resources wisely is one challenge, and also attracting sufficient funding or income to actually continue to do what we do. The so-called professor's privilege is a Swedish law that states that any intellectual property from a university professor or teacher belongs to university professor or teacher himself and not the institute. And that has it has been that way in a long time for Sweden. I think the benefit might be that if you're an entrepreneurial scientist, you can drive your idea and take responsibility for it. On the other hand, it's more difficult for universities to generate income from their discoveries. So there are pros and cons with the system, but it works. So I mean, some of the innovation ideas that we deal with relates to social inventions, and we have one staff member dedicated to help those cases. And it's very much a case-by-case sort of process where, depending on what the invention or the idea is, they might need different kinds of help. It could be finding a business model or finding a way to bring it to the benefit of society without creating a company. But sometimes, even for social inventions, a company might be the best vehicle to actually bring it to market. We work a lot with meeting researchers and students at KI. I mean, that's part of the daily job, meeting people, telling them what we can offer. And when it comes to industry liaisons, that's very much the same thing. We try to meet with relevant industry partners to present what we are doing and to find to expand our network. And we're fortunate to have a large life science community in Stockholm.